When you get to the Wallet Monsters landing page, you'll see 3 buttons at the top labeled Polygon, Binance, and Avalanche. Let's choose Binance, since we want to use the DApp on the Binance Smart Chain. We'll be taken to the Wallet Monsters landing page. Before we can get started, we'll need to get Test BNB. It's the native asset of the network, and it will be used to cover gas fees for transactions. You can get Test tokens by clicking here within the DApp. This will take us to a faucet. Important to note, I have purposely left my Web3 Wallets network connected to the wrong network for the DApp version. I will correct this in a moment. Here, you'll just have to enter the address of the wallet you'll be funding. Since I've done this earlier, it will not allow me to do it again. But once your transaction has been confirmed, you will have officially funded your wallet with Test BNB. Let's go back to the DApp's login page and click Wallet Login in the navigation bar. Now let's go over to the Network tab and ask the DApp which network we are connected to by clicking Current Network. This will display a message telling us which network we are connected to, and if we are not connected to the correct network for this version of the DApp, to switch networks or DApp versions. Let's go ahead and switch to the correct network by clicking Network in the Navigations tab and scrolling down to the network we want to be on. In this case is Binance, and click Switch to Binance Network. This will change our current network to the Binance Smart Chain. And as you can see, that change has taken effect. Now we can properly use the DApp. Unfortunately, my Enjimon are dead and have reached the immutable death state. Although we can see their stats, they are useless, but we can still interact with our DApp. Let's head to the marketplace and see what we can buy. So no trainers have placed any Enjimon on the market. So let's just buy this E-Defense potion. I'll click buy. Selling 2 units with an asking price of 0.05 BNB. I'll sign this transaction and pay the user 0.05 BNB plus the network's gas. Once my transaction is confirmed, the items will be removed from the marketplace and sent to my wallet. We can enjoy fast transactions and low transaction fees on Binance Smart Chain. For more information, check out the official Wallet Monsters docs. And until next time, it's Mikhail Muhammad, and I'm out.